What's up everyone? Before we get started on this boring YouTube video, I want to let you know about my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/JeeperGary. I'll have a link down in the description and it'll flash up on the screen. I'm in an X-Wing.
Sounds desperate. Can anyone make out what he's saying?
X-Fighter Gary. Over there you can support me and the channel. YouTube monetization policies are a little more strict, which makes sense. I'll also open a merch store up soon. It's mostly for Twitch. I'll also link that down in the description below too. So anyways, let's get ready to change my oil, I guess. That's the only thing I can come up with. What's up everyone, Jeeper Gary here. I'm sorry about the lack of content. That's a funny word. Lately on this channel, I've moved in a new place and it's wintertime and school and more excuses. So today we're gonna be cleaning out the garage because there's leaves everywhere. And I can't work on my Jeep with leaves everywhere. And I still got a bunch of unpacking to do, trash to throw away, and it's finally 71 degrees. So I'm gonna put you on a time lapse and we're just gonna back the Jeep out of here and start cleaning. Oh, and I gotta defrost the freezer because it's got like a foot of ice in it at the moment. All right, let's get started. And my keys are inside. I completely forgot how to film a damn video. All right, time lapse engage. Alright, there's the freezer. I gotta get this meat out of here so we can defrost it. Looks like it needs clean too. I'll just defrost it for now. Alright everybody, that's all I'm gonna do for today. I'll be back tomorrow and we'll change the oil in Irene over there. She's about 2,000 miles over, but I got full synthetic, so they say it lasts longer. Anyways, catch you then.
3 days later.
Probably gonna be somebody somewhere be like, oh, you didn't get it to normal operating temperature. The oil's not going to drain properly. No, I don't care. That's pretty dirty, I say. I got one of these EPA? Yeah, EPA approved things down below there. Nobody can complain to some government agencies. I try my best to make it all go where it's supposed to go. Keep my landlord from getting upset. I almost need to replace this bolt here, this drain plug. Over years of taking something off and on, wearing it down.
Yeah, man, I'll tell you what, that dang old internet, man, you just go on there and point and click, get in there, talk about www.com, and you got then that naked chicks on there, man. You go click, 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 click. It's real easy, man.
Go. Whew. Sploosh. Sploosh. Paper towels. I'll put them in the Jeep. Then we'll do an epic montage of oil dripping. All right, while that's doing this thing, I'll show you what I carry inside the Jeep on a daily basis. I also need a new soft top. I'm thinking about going hard top this time though, because I'm gonna spend the same amount of money, might as well just buy a hard top. So I actually don't really carry a lot back here.
I have a full floor jack
because the Jeep is way too high off the ground and I cannot jack it up any other way. So that's just rolling around back here. Carry around some rubber boots. You know, you never know when you might need some rubber boots. This is just something that's back here. You know, got your spare coolant, your safety vest. You know, never know when you need a safety vest. Got a full med kit with like 3 tourniquets in it. I would open it up, but it's impossible to get back together. Of course, you got the floor check handle. My self-defense, I mean my tire iron. And in here, just your regular road shit. Got another, this med kit's mostly for like cuts and scrapes. You know, we got plenty of these things on hand. Had to use those majority of my life. I have a siphon pump, you know, for like end of the world shit. I need to go siphon somebody's gas. The rest of this is just winch controller. You know, got your jumper cables, and the rest is just straps. And in my lockbox, I got other things I'm gonna have to blur out, but for YouTube's sake, but they're in there. I still have an open spot for a cameraman. I don't pay much, but I'll pay you in beer. As long as you don't mind, I drink some of it. Whatever. I took the damn thing off. There it is. I couldn't get it on camera, so I had to go make some Sneak Energy. I'm not sponsored, but if you would sponsor me, please, because your shit is delicious. Thank you. This is what I was talking about earlier. Most likely a 20-year-old drain plug, since this is a 04 and it's almost 2024, so it's about 20 years old. I don't think it's ever been replaced, but I need to replace this drain plug probably soon, because one day it's just not going to come out and then we'll be really screwed. All right, so the drain plug was clean and put back in. We're putting on another K&N oil filter. Going with my typical pennzoil Platinum full synthetic. Well, go ahead and put it on there and fill it back up. Make sure you get your oil filter good and torqued down. I'd recommend using an air ratchet or something, just ooga, you know? No, I'm totally kidding, don't do that. Hand tightness. All right, we are ready to go. All right, we got all the oil in. I'm running her right now in the garage. Make sure she doesn't leak, you know, dummy check myself. Thanks so much for watching. I know this video was boring as hell. Weather's starting to warm up, so maybe we can do more things. So I'm gonna plug my Twitch again. You know, you can go support me there, twitch.tv/JeeperGary. I stream there pretty much every single day. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Come back now.